guys, it's Shuntelluniquee and welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these beautiful wand curls, and if you guys are interested in watching this video, then continue on watching and let's get right into this video. Okay, so this is just a little before. I just put this wig on and blow dried and all that good stuff, so this is how it looks before. So now I'm going to be taking a small rat tail comb and I'm going to be doing a side part. Doing all this could be a process, so parting my hair, for me, it was like I had to make sure everything was straight, make sure everything was deep enough, and yeah. So do your part as you like, and yeah, let's continue. So now I'm going to be taking the wand curler and I'm going to be just flattening out the area where I parted my hair. And this is just to make my part as flat as possible. Usually some people would take a hot comb and do it, but I do not own one, sadly. So this is what I use as an alternative. So now you just see me brushing out my hair and making everything flat, straight, and whatnot. So now I'm going to take in 2 sections of my hair, put my hair in 2 sections. Then I'll be grabbing a smaller section of my hair and I'm going to be curling my hair under and over. And this is basically how to just curl the hair. If you want bigger curls, you can grab bigger sections. If you want smaller curls, grab smaller sections and use the top of the wand curler because it's smaller. So yeah, I'm gonna continue on doing this process throughout this video, and yeah. I'll curl more of my hair and I'll be right back. I curled most of my hair, but I wanted to leave the front for you guys so I could show you guys how I do it. So I just section it. It's just the same as, you know, the rest, but the way I curl it is so different. Well, not so different, but it's completely different than I curl the back. Okay, so as you can see, I'm still going under and over, but as I get more towards the front, I'm going to go over and under. I'm gonna just wrap it clockwise, I think. Yeah, clockwise. And the other way is the other way, you know. Finally, I am done curling. I'm going to just be taking my comb and I'm going to be pushing back the hair because you don't want your hair to be like all up in your face. I don't know. And I'm going to just be flattening that out with my wand curler. So I'm gonna take out some baby hairs and lay them down, you feel me? So now I came back with my baby hairs finished. I'm gonna be just taking my fingers and run them through my curls so it can be more fuller. So now I'm just gonna take some concealer and I'm gonna just place it on the part. Okay, on this part, I kind of did use a little bit too much concealer, so don't come for me, okay? Please do not come for me. And I was rushing, so, yeah, I did not blend in my concealer, so it's okay. Don't even judge me. But make sure to blend out your concealer when you do this look. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look, and I hope you guys really like it. If you guys do, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, press that notification bell so you can always stay notified. And I'll see you guys in the next freaking video.
It was nice like this, feeling right like this. I never really spent no time like this, huh?